And today we're making sacred message candles. Using all glass jars that I've had for a while, just placing the wick and setting it aside. Next we'll use the double boiler method to melt our soya wax. Add some generous amount of lemongrass fragrance, fill our glass jars halfway up and let it cool. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare our secret messages. Our first message, we'll be writing it on butter paper of course because it's heat resistant, and a small slit in between the circle for the wick to pass through. Alphabet beads for the second hidden message, which I wasn't a big fan of, and you will see why. Now that our wax is hardened and our messages are all set, let's place them inside. Lightly melt the top layer with a hairdryer so that our messages are stuck to the wax and do not move around. We will be repeating the same steps for the second jar. Let them cool again until we make a pretty little hearts. With the help of a needle, made a hole in between so it can pass through the wick. Snip off the excess and our secret message candles are ready. Patience level 0.
పేపర్ కాలిపోతున్నాయి.